Fun.
And watch.
Watching.
I'm doing all the way across with no phone on.
Ready?
Ready? You're taking a video.
I know. Great job.
It's my turn. I have to go up it. No. I want to show awesome I am. Get the other one. Nice one. Let's switch. Mom,
Good job, Muscles.
this is kids club over there for me at 9 a.m.
Oh, perfect.
That's for tonight, Mom.
Tonight, they have to go to Kids Club. Are we going to let our followers know what Kids Club looks like later?
You remember on the boat?
You want to take your followers to your clubhouse?
Wait, we should do a video here.
We are. Go show us your Dallas clubhouse.
No. What's up, guys? My name is Giovanna. Lorenzo. And we're gonna hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, give a huge thumbs up. What's this, Mom? We're going to play on a place. Julia, get off of the thing. Wow. I'm gonna run on that. Oh yeah, you remember that swing thing? Yeah. Swing. And I just.
Oh, sounds like it hurt.
Not what I'm doing. It doesn't hurt, Mom. Giovanna, when I'm doing it.
Giovanna, show us how you hang from your knees
What?
on the barf.
No, I'm doing this also.
Well, all right, Giovanna, you want to show us Kids Club for your babies?
Not yet. When it's nighttime, we have to go outside.
We won't be able to see at nighttime, so you should show me now.
No.
Come on.
Somebody's at nighttime.
All right, I'll go show everyone just what it looks like.
It's not ready yet. It's still dirty.
Oh.
Dad's making it as a baby, kid.
Lorenzo, show us what you can do on there. Okay, go ahead and do the swings or the rings, and then Giovanna can switch you. No way. Perfect backflip. All right, Giovanna's turn.
So I'm going to face this way to you guys.
If you start the other way, when you flip upside down, we'll be able to see you.
What?
If you start with your back towards us, we'll be able to see you when you flip.
Mom, you remember this trick, Mom? I don't want them to see my belly.
Tuck your shirt in. There you go.
They actually have a little recording thing. If your belly hangs out or thing out, and if you don't know them, they have blind things so they also see.
All right, Lorenzo, out of the way. He says he's going to show us how she does her flip. She tucked her shirt in for us. Yes.
Wait.
Yep, that's right. That's right. Okay, you can try that way, but we won't see your face.
Oh, that's why I have you see my face.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Go. Look at this little monkey girl. Share the love.
Hit that like button. It's not a worm. It's a tiny worm.
A little baby worm.
Yep, and this is a pre-lab one if you don't know what we're actually doing on this video. That's my turn.
Where's your little worm? Let me see him.
This is the dirt where our worms go.
That's where you put them?
No, they dig for it.
Oh.
There used to be worms there when I was 4.
Oh.
And I'm 6.
You're 6. How old are you, little guy?
3. And see, look at my new dirt bag.
It's beautiful. We love it. You gonna drive it for us? On the grass? Keep going. No, I did not see him standing up. We don't stand up on dirt bikes. That's cool, but we shouldn't stand up on a dirt bike, right?
No, only on a real one.
Only on a real one?
Yeah.
Because it's not safe, right?
Yeah. Let me go get him.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm going to get something.
To show us? Do you need help? No?
None.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I'm doing that. Hey.
Nice.
We have to make your pictures.
Wow.
I see the moon.
You see the moon? Show us where it's at. Yeah, there's the moon all the way up there.
Mom, I see some lights. I'll show you this, Mom.
What?
This. It goes like, Mom.
Yeah.
Look, right here and right here.
Yeah, it's the power button.
This makes me the battery.
Love it.
Makes me the gas, and this makes me the switch. and
Yeah.
this makes me the light.
What's that silver thing down there
What is it?
that's holding it up?
Here?
The thing that's holding the bike up. That's on the ground.
Wait, here?
Yeah, what is that called?
A shit stand.
A kickstand. What's it do?
It makes it flat.
Watch.
You wanna go
Nice
like
kick.
this. You have to go like this.
It makes the bike stand up.
Yeah. And then like this.
Yeah, I see that. Why do we wear a helmet when we ride it?
Can you show off? Mom, can you go get me a pet?
Yes, of course I can. All right, we're back and ready to roll. Lorenzo, what'd you go do?
Get my knee pad.
got your knee pads and your elbow pads?
Yeah.
What do you do? Why do you wear knee pads and elbow pads?
And you need to be safe.
Need to be safe? Yep. Do they protect you in case you fall by accident?
Yep.
Yep. Oh.
Why is it not working?
It's working.
It's not working like that.
What'd you forget?
I don't know where my bike is.
Switch to your bike. Why don't you leave your elbow pads and your knee pads on?
I'll put them on after.
Wow.
Oh, do you see that girl running?
Yeah?
Why is she out here?
The same reason you're out here, just to play.
I'm not playing like her.
It's okay.
Does she have toys?
Yeah, I'm sure she has toys, honey.
But not like the bikes. Maybe not a bike. Maybe a bike. Maybe a tiny, tiny like a mini bike.
Maybe. You gonna show us some more of your cool moves?
Not yet.
Safe. Back to the dirt bike, or what are you getting now? Show us something new? Oh, snap. They're the pretty doggies. I'm watching. Yeah, that's cool. Woo! Safe. Safe. Right? You're all good. Let me see the big boy. No boo-boos? All good? Want mama kiss it? What do you mean, uh-uh? Now what? Whoop. One-legged. I love the chalk.